Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm really honored to get second chance to present a brief introduction to an important application for our computer syllabus, and that is Microsoft Excel. As we know, the meaning of Excel is best, top, and better. Like that, its work also best and excellent. Because Microsoft Excel is a commercial spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft for Microsoft Windows and Mac OS for storing, organizing, and manipulating data. Microsoft Excel is typically used to organize data and perform financial analysis. It is used across all businesses, functions, and at markets from small to large. And in short, we can say the main uses of MS Excel included the data entry, data management, programming, graphing, charting, financial modeling, financial analyzing, and task management, time management, and customer relationship management. And now I'm going to show you two examples. As you can see, these are expenses. And if I want to add these all expenses, I can easily by using some formula. By this way, due to technical issue, I am going to show you a second example. Yes. And this is an example regarding to mark sheet. So due to short time, I can't explain much more. So that's all. Thank you so much.